slept on, no Tempur-Pedic, but that's why I gotta dream it, got a vision, now they see it. But it ain't gon' slide, I put this rapping on my life, I put this rapping with my dogs, no pedals. Don't care what them hoes say, no Quavo. You say you really out here, but you ain't even there though. And I ain't talk about Robert when I say I need De Niro, Man, I'm talking.
Yeah,
pretty much blocked up everywhere.
Yeah, that's fine. So right here or?
Yeah, you can turn right here.
Okay, appreciate it, bro.
Nah, big. Nah, big. That's fun. Thank you. Why?
What's going on? Damn, I'm black as hell. What's going on, guys? So we just got to the Japanese Classic in VA, and it's very windy. So most of this video, look at this shit. Most of this video gonna be just the cars, cause I can't really vlog this.
And every time you cut off the back part.
I wonder what made.
I could be who you want, cause I know that I need to be happy too. And then things turn to dust when I bluff just to mess up and tell the truth. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say to ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks of gone can't let go. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name. can't disguise who I am when I am with you. My armor fell off cause your words got me naked, got me naked. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say into ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks of gone can't let go.
Oh, that would be cool. Yeah. I'd love to do that.
Better get a picture.
Shit, you don't see every day.
Go ahead.
Whatever.
Oh, there.
The 1950. Blah, blah, blah. And it drives him. Tell him to good night.
You're moving so differently. Now this is all I want. So if you make a move, I promise I'll be there too. Ooh, give me time and place. I will be there before you have to wait for me. Been hiding away for too long. 'Cause all I need it's something just like this in the time and place. Ooh, night. Give me a time and it's something just like this in the time and place. She's telling me that I tend to get it right, so stay with me. Yeah. So be safe and hold on tight. Is it just me who's falling? I'm in too deep. Give me a time and place. Ooh, nah. I will be there before you have to wait for me. Hiding away for too long. 'Cause all I need is something just like this in the time and place. Ooh, nah. Give me a time and is it just me who's falling? I'm in too deep. Give me a time and in the time and place.
chilling outside over here. Shout out to Nick.
This right here is nice, the same little beer.
What?
This right here is quite classy.
Yeah, but and it's an import.
I know, I said it's like the
Yeah. Oh, okay. Got his shit turned wide open.
Well, how can I post those pictures? I don't even know what it is.
Just be like clean Japanese punk. We went to a track. Right. Okay. Clean ass J&Cs. Oh, you good, bro? I'm a vlogger, so my shit's always ass. Surex. Fiat. Is it really? Damn, I'm fucking my shoes up. Focus ST.
Bro, let me sell my coupe and get a hat. Let me sell my coupe and get a hat.
Yep. Subaru's pulling up. Damn, that's a movie scene. Yeah. It's clean as fuck. That's your gray too, ain't it?
No, the red one's a little bit darker.
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying it's a gray. Alright. That's clean as fuck. That's clean. And he got the RPF ones on.
Bro, okay, I get it, guys. I'm slacking. Hey, I get it. I understand. It's got a big ass.
That shit is clean. Got a nice little turbo stuck over there. Focus. I don't know how I feel about these tail lights, but all in all, I like the yellow with the black. See, I like those. I like those. But see, they don't make shit like that for my car, so I'm gonna have to make it work. Yeah, everything gonna have to be specifically made.
Like in a nasty child. It's nice.
Right. This is the same wheel Cervantes got. Cervantes. I mean Crevice Garage. Yeah, it's the same Crevice Garage wheel.
The one that drives is black. Black. Shows the fucking car. With this taxi company.
I fucks with it. So my thoughts so far is it's a few good cars out here.
Trapping ain't easy on this suit.
Yeah, they trapping on it. But yeah, it's a few good cars. Oh shit, the trap car. Oh man, he's here. Nah, but there's a few good cars out here. There's a few good cars out here, but we done about walked around as much as we want. But the Fiat, oh the CR.
Maybe somebody was in the way.
Probably. I got a video of it, so yeah, probably somebody was there. But yeah, I think we're about to get up out of here. We're gonna try to walk a little more and get 1 or 2 more photos, but pretty much we through with this show for today, so let's catch this car right quick.
Knocked in here.
Yeah, that fitment Check this Teggy out. Okay. Alright. That shit clean there. I fucks with that.
Who didn't fight? I told you not to waste my fucking time. I told you never sing the song you like. You don't do.
Processing.
Shit.
Please wait. Thank you.
Fucking receipt.
Virginia, you suck with all these damn tolls.
I had to pay
$5.
I had to pay $2.50 to get over there, which it ain't but a mile from here. Then I had to pay another $2.50 to go back. Virginia, y'all retarded for this. And then your roads still worse than North Carolina. We don't even have these kind of tolls, and our roads are better shape than y'all. Tighten up. Okay guys, so all the times we pass this place, we've never actually been to a Wawa, so I figured I'd throw that in the vlog. I'm so excited, and the gas is so cheap, like literally bro, this shit is so cheap. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put $5 in. Look at this shit. Gas is $2.90 for 92 premium. Now I don't know what the fuck 92 is, but it's pretty close to 93, so I think I'm gonna put like $5 in it just to say I got Wawa gas. But look at 87, $2.40 a gallon. Are you kidding me? Like, Wawa, y'all winning. We need these in NC. Now watch this shit blow up now that I put this 92 in it. Alright guys, so we've made it back. I'm gonna go in and close this video out right quick because we're about to take Trey to do a little trunk or treating and stuff. So hope y'all enjoyed it. As always, like, share, subscribe, and remember, respect all bills. Peace out.